Hello YouTubers, hope you are having a fantastic day YouTubers. In today's YouTube video, we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 1981 Howard Miller cable-driven triple chime grandfather clock. This grandfather clock is located in my grandpa's house, YouTubers. So yeah, YouTubers, anything further than that, let's just get straight into this 1981 Howard Miller cable-driven triple chime grandfather clock. So what I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to give you guys a tour of this grandfather clock. The glass is beveled, YouTubers, as you can see. The glass is beveled on the sides as well. The beveled parts are like the bumpy parts, YouTubers, of the glass over here. And it goes all the way down to this bottom left corner, then it continues to be beveled over here, beveled down here, all the way up here, and then it continues to be beveled all the way up here. The glass over here, there's no beveled glass on this top part of the door. There's no beveled glass. So, this is the key for the grandfather clock, as you can see. So, I'm just gonna open it for you, YouTubers, and this grandfather clock has a 12 hammer movement, which means it has 8 chime hammers and 4 strike hammers. I'm going to show you what it sounds like. If you look at my older videos I've made, YouTubers, you could see them chiming, YouTubers. So, the left weight weighs almost about like 9 pounds, which is 4 kilograms. This controls the strike. This one controls the entire movement. The right one controls the chimes. So, you get your hour hand, your minute hand, and your second hand, of course. You can hear the ticking. Like every second, you would hear the clock tick. Very large pendulum meters. So, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. These chimes come with Whittington, St. Michael's, and Westminster, and silent, but silent isn't considered a chime. So Whittington is at the very top, so I'm going to show you what it sounds like on the Whittington chime. So Whittington is first choice, St. Michael is second choice, Westminster is third choice, bottom is silent. So I'm going to show you what it sounds like on Whittington. So on the hour, nighters, you may notice that the clock hasn't struck because this weight over here actually was broken. I didn't mean to break the weight. I did it by accident, YouTubers. Like almost about this happened possibly about like a month ago, YouTubers. So I'm gonna show you what the strike sounds like. Your strike system is over here. All the way bottom turns it off. The top is turns on the strike, YouTubers. So I'm gonna actually show you what the strike sounds like. So that's what the Whittington chime sounds like on the hour. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like on the first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter. Quarter past. Half past. quarter two. See, first, that is the Whittington chime of this 1981 Howard Miller cable-driven triple chime grandfather clock. Usually you have to oil this clock like 4 to 5 years. If you don't oil it or something like that, that can destroy the movement. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you what it sounds like on St. Michael's, which is the second choice. Oops. So here's the St. Michael's chime. So on the St. Michael's chime, you get double the notes, which means you get 8, 16, 24, and 32, plus whatever hours. So, on the hour, see, first, I'm actually the one controlling the strike. It's just because the weight is broken. So that's on the hour. You heard the St. Michael's chime. So now I'm gonna show you the first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter. Quarter past. Half past. Quarter two. So that's the St. Michael's chime. So now I'm gonna show you the Westminster chime, which is your third choice on the right side. Just push it down to like this with your pointer finger. Oops. So that's Westminster. So you get a total hold on guys, let me just focus. I'm sorry about the quality of the camera recording. It's just not as it's not as good as I'm recording. It's just because the hardware is not as good as I'm recording because it's an older camera what I'm recording with, because I don't have one. So that's why I have to use like an older camera to record with. I need to like use an older camera because I don't have any powerful cameras, because the hardware is not that powerful back then. So anyway, that's enough talking. Here's the Westminster chime on the hour. Quarter past. Half past. Chord 2. So that's all the chimes it comes with. All these grandfather clocks come with these triple chime movements. Come with 3 chimes. They come with Whittington, St. Michael's, Westminster, the 12 hammer movement. So now what I'm gonna do for you guys now, I'm gonna show you what it does on silent. Silent's at the very bottom. This is your chime system. This is your strike system. Because all the way down would be off. So I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. Okay, on the hour. You'll see. Oh. That's a little bit too far, YouTubers. You can hear the I thought it didn't strike, YouTubers. The last second. All you can hear is like clicking noises. 1/4 past. Half past. Chord 2. So you can hear that, you can hear the movement actually making some noises. Because, let me show you something. Put this, back the correct chimes. So, let me show you on your chime system. All the way down is off. Third position would be Westminster. Second choice is St. Michael's. Top position is Whittington. So I'm gonna put it on St. Michael's. Now, when you push this down, that turns off the strike. If you push it up, that turns on the strike. That's what the strike sounds like. Also, this clock comes with a crank, YouTubers. Let me show you what I mean. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just get the crank. Alright. The crank looks like this. This is for winding every 7 days. So what you do is you wind it. Just don't wind it like really roughly because that can destroy the movement. All you do is insert it into these 3 holes. Push it in. Once it's pushed in, turn it counterclockwise or clockwise depending on the movement. Oh. This one doesn't work, so I'm going to just show you. So all you have to do, turn it counterclockwise, like that. And that winds the weight, because this clock is a 7-day movement. Some are 8-day movements. As you can see, the weight goes up. Alright, now this clock has a moon dial. So what it does, this would click once a day, YouTubers. It clicks once a day, YouTubers, so YouTubers, and it has like the stars and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you now the inside of the clock. You can see the panels now finally missing. This happened 2 weeks ago, guys. I'm gonna explain what exactly happened. I was trying to make a YouTube video about this grandfather clock, but all of a sudden the battery ran out on the camera, so I had to. I was trying to show the YouTubers like 2 weeks ago how to like take out the panel, YouTubers, but I couldn't actually do that because the battery died off on me on the camera. So here's the inside of the movement over here. It's the striking hammers that strike, and over on your left top of the grandfather clock in the inside you should see like a sticker like that. On the right side you have your chiming hammers. And this is the back of the moon dial. It clicks once a day. The bottom of the clock is also broken as well, but it still keeps accurate time, which I know of. I don't exactly know what time it is right now. I'm gonna have to see what time it is, YouTubers. So right now it is, so guys, it's 4 o'clock, so it's 4:03. What you can also do, a shortcut way you can, set the time just by moving the hour hand like that. Okay. There. So YouTubers, very large pendulum. Also, there's a thing on the top I want to show you, but I can't quite reach it. You see these rosebuds here? I'm gonna get to that after I show you this. These are almost like the shape of like a shoe, and it goes left if it's on the left side. See how it's going to the left side? If it's on the right side, it goes to the right side like this. And I think it was carved or something. Now I'm gonna show you guys the rosebuds. For that, I'm gonna need a chair. So, okay. I just need stand on a chair since I'm not that tall enough. I always put the crank on the top so nothing will be stealed. See these rosebuds? It goes to the right side if it's on the left side. And if it's on the right side, it goes to the left side. And in the center, you get this trove. You can also take it off. It looks like this. Okay. And there should be a little hole, YouTubers, inside the thing, and then all you have to do is just insert it carefully and gently. Very simple. You have to be careful not to chip it or anything. Okay. Okay. Should go in. All you have to do is just put it inside that hole. Alrighty. How do I insert this? Perfect. And you get a little decoration in the center part. YouTubers, see? It almost looks like a bird wing, YouTubers. And you get these little it almost looks like it's like a little what is it, like, what's it called, YouTubers? Little, things, like these little, wooden things on every corner. You get on the bottom left corner, one on the bottom right corner, one on the top left corner, one on the top right corner. So, yeah. So, I apologize about this video, YouTubers, that, the quality wasn't as good. So now what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to show you something about the, how this movement works. This movement has a second hand, not like my grandfather clock, the King Arthur Howard Miller chain-driven triple chime grandfather clock. This controls the strike. At the top, turns on the strike. Bottom, turns off the strike. If you push this thing up, if the lever is in the middle, like some movement, YouTubers, if it's in the middle, some grandfather clocks have like a night shut-off, which means it shuts off at 10 p.m. to 7, and then comes back on at 7:15 a.m. But this one doesn't. So now, over here, I'm gonna show you at the top. All the way top is the Whittington chime. Second choice is St. Michael's chime. Third choice is Westminster. All the way down is silent. And turns off the chimes eaters. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube video about this 1981 Howard Miller cable-driven triple chime grandfather clock. Please subscribe, rate, like, and dislike. Comment below. Being a Word fan, you always know it. Peace out.